Hi guys, this is my vlog number 2 from Thanjavur. If in case you haven't watched the first vlog, I'll leave a card on the top and also the link in the description below. So after visiting Thanjavur Big Temple, in the evening I went to Maratha Palace where I saw some great collections of Chola bronze, Queen's Courtyard and Darbar Hall. If you're coming here, do not miss to visit Saraswati Mahal Audio Library. It is one of the oldest libraries in Asia and it has some rare collections of palm leaf manuscripts, ancient map of the world, pictorial Bible print of 1791. Unfortunately, videography is prohibited inside the library, so I don't have any footage of it. So one more thing which you should not miss when you're in Thanjavur is the famous Chandrakala sweet from Bombay Sweets. Next day morning, I headed to Gangaikonda Cholapuram. If in case you're traveling by public transport, you may have to go to Kumbakonam from where you get frequent buses to Gangaikonda Cholapuram. Gangaikonda Cholapuram temple was constructed by Rajendra Cholan, son of Rajaraja Cholan, who constructed Thanjavur Big Temple. So this temple was constructed in the year 1035 and like Thanjai Big Temple, it also took very less years for construction, like it took 9 years for construction of this temple. Rajendra Cholan wanted to construct a magnificent temple like Thanjai Big Temple. He couldn't match up to his father's work. But this temple has its uniqueness because of which it is recognized by UNESCO as a World Heritage Site. Before seeing the uniqueness of this temple, so there are some similarities between Thanjavur Big Temple and this temple. Like shadow of both the temples, Vimana doesn't fall on the ground and both the temple has a symmetrical architecture. Both the temple were constructed using interlock blocking method, like without using any binding material like adhesive or cement. This temple was constructed. Try to visit this temple either in the evening or in the morning during the golden hour, because when the sun rays falls on the gopuram, it looks brilliant. Rajendra Cholan is one of the most remembered kings in the Tamil history. His period is considered the golden period of Tamil Nadu. He has conquered most of the Southeast Asian countries like Bangladesh, Malaysia, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia. Gangaikonda Cholapuram was constructed as a victory symbol of conquering Gangetic Plains, present-day Bangladesh. So he also brought some gallons of water from Ganga and mixed it with the river Kaveri here. So that's how this place got its name Gangaikonda Cholapuram. The Nandi in this temple is slightly smaller than that of the Thanjavur Big Temple. So is the Vimana. The temple gopuram is square at the bottom, octagonal in the middle, and on the top it is circular. The Shivlingam in this temple is 13.5 meters tall and there is a moonstone installed beneath the lingam which absorbs magical power from the moon, because of which the place remains warm in winter and cool in summer. The Nandi here is placed in such a way that the sun rays falls on the Nandi and reflects on the lingam, which is one more reason why you should visit this temple in the morning. People say that Thanjavur Big Temple is a representation of male and this temple Gangaikonda Cholapuram is a representation of female. It is also believed that Rajendra Cholan dedicated this temple to show that the universe requires femininity as much as masculinity. If it is true, he is definitely a great king who understood the simple concept of life.